Welcome back to Bike Tricka, your trusted channel for the latest 2- and 3-wheeler updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw CNG, a popular choice among commercial vehicle users across South Asia. Let's dive into what makes this 3-wheeler stand out in the market this year. Design and build quality. The 2025 Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw maintains its signature compact design with a few modern touches. It features a sturdy chassis, upgraded suspension for better load handling, and improved ergonomics for both drivers and passengers. The body panels are durable and built to withstand rough usage, especially on uneven roads and in heavy traffic conditions. CNG performance and mileage. Under the hood, this auto rickshaw runs on a refined CNG engine, optimized for fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine delivers reliable performance for daily use, with a mileage range of approximately 30 to 35 km per kg of CNG, making it a cost-effective option for urban and rural transport operators. Comfort and capacity. Passenger comfort is a priority in this model. The seating is more cushioned, with improved legroom for 3 adult passengers. The driver's seat is designed for long hours of usage with decent back support. Additionally, the rickshaw offers a decent cargo space at the rear, making it versatile for both passenger and light goods transport. Features and upgrades. The 2025 version includes small yet significant upgrades like a digital meter, better headlamp visibility, and an easy-to-read fuel gauge. There's also improved ventilation inside the cabin, and Suzuki has worked on reducing engine noise and vibration for a smoother ride experience. Price and availability. The Suzuki Maruti CNG rickshaw is priced competitively, ranging between PKR 400,000 to PKR 450,000, depending on region and optional features. It's readily available at authorized Suzuki dealerships with easy installment plans for drivers and fleet owners. Final thoughts. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw CNG is a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable 3-wheeler perfect for everyday use. Whether you're an individual driver or running a transport business, this rickshaw continues to deliver on durability and performance. Thanks for watching this quick review on Bike Tricka. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on bikes, rickshaws, and everything in between. Safe riding, and see you in the next video.